Wait, the oil has been put in the pot. Now the next is to put the corn. Now put the corn. Yeah. So you make sure that the quantity of the corn is above the oil, and that does not mean that the oil will be totally small. So we'll let the corn be a bit higher than this. No, not this. Then you stir it for the corn and the oil to mix together. Then you allow it. You have your flavor. You put your flavor. There are two type of flavor you have: powdered milk flavor and liquid milk, condensed milk flavor. So you put your flavor at this point. Put your flavor now. So after putting your flavor, good. Then the next is to put your sugar. Then put your sugar. Yeah. So the quantity depends on how you want it to taste. You stir it to mix it. So the corn has already started popping without wasting much time. So within a short time, you don't need to stress yourself in that speed turning. The turning should be just gradual. The turning has to be very gradual while it pops. Then after this, after the popping, when you hear it, you leave the glass open. You don't let this plastic glass stay locked because you are caging the live fire. So this plastic glass must be open, otherwise within a short time those glasses will get damaged. So this is just the process. It doesn't take anything. You allow it to pop. When it pop finish, you hear the popping continue getting faster. You pop it faster, a bit faster. So you can see. So at this point, what you need to do, you see that the popping, you engage it, then you put off the fire from the cylinder. Put the cylinder off. The fire in the hose, the gas in the hose now can complete the popping. And you can see that the popping has finished and the fire is still on. So it is necessary that you put off the fire before you bring the pot down. And the pot now, the popcorn is done. Instantly it's done. Empty it. Give me the spoon. Quickly. And at this point it has to be fast, otherwise it might start burning. So this is what the little we put there could produce. You set your pot ready for another production. So that is that.